1.5-inch D-Series backwash valve rebuild. Remove upper actuator can. Remove diaphragm. Remove piston cup. Remove lower actuator can. All 3 1/4-inch bolts. Remove cotter pin from hex nut on inside of the valve casting. Remove hex nut from valve shaft. Remove valve seal retainer, valve seal, and valve seal reinforcing plate. Remove valve shaft. Remove brass bushing from outside of the valve casting. Remove old bushing gaskets. Inspect interior surfaces of valve. Install new bushing gaskets. Install brass bushing from outside of the valve casting. Install valve shaft. Install valve seal retainer, valve seal, and valve seal reinforcing plate. Install hex nut on valve shaft. Install cotter pin on hex nut inside of the valve casting. Install lower actuator can, all 3 1/4-inch bolts. Install valve spring. Install piston cup. Apply Loctite on piston cup bolt and install. Install diaphragm, being cautious not to tear or cut the rubber material. Align upper actuator can so welded fitting is at the top. Install upper actuator can, all 8 1/4-inch bolts.